Established in 2011, Gondwana University in Gadchiroli, Maharashtra aims to support the economically and socially disadvantaged districts of Gadchiroli and Chandrapur. It has more than 200 affiliated colleges. With an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com, let's explore the details of the engineering program offered. Starting with the 2.7 rated placements. Recent student reviews indicated an average package of 4 lakh per annum. Top recruiters included Tata Motors, Mahindra, Adani Power, TCS, Deloitte, Wipro and HCL among others, offering roles such as software and web developer. The placement rate is 40 to 45%. The average package at Shivaji University, Kolhapur is comparable to that of Gondwana University. The university offers BTech programs in civil, computer science, computer technology, electrical, electronics, electronics and communication, information technology, instrumentation, mechanical and mining. To be eligible for the BTech program, candidates must pass 10+2 with a 45% aggregate and a competitive score in JEE Main. The total tuition fees can go up to 60,000 rupees. Shifting our gaze to 3.7 rated infrastructure. Gondwana University, situated in Gadchiroli, Maharashtra, spans across 17 acres of lush greenery. According to student reviews, the campus features well-equipped labs, a library, a canteen, sports facilities and Wi-Fi connectivity. The university offers hostel accommodation for around 250 students in double occupancy rooms that are well furnished and gym facilities are also available. Now let's move on to the 3.8 rated faculty and course. Based on the student reviews, the faculty members at Gondwana University are highly qualified and helpful. The overall quality of teaching is great. However, student feedback on the course curriculum has been mixed, while some finding it relevant while others feeling it falls short. The university has established partnerships with several organizations and institutions such as Midcon Consultancy and Engineering Services Limited, Develern Data Science Institute, Maharashtra Center for Entrepreneurship, Research for Resurgence Foundation and several others to enhance research, training and educational efforts. Now let's move on to the campus life, which has been rated 3.5 stars by students. The university conducts multiple events throughout the year such as Convocation, Yoga Day, Marathi Bhasha Divas and various workshops along with the state-level Intercultural Youth Festival. The university is currently not ranked in the NIRF ratings. For more details on Gondwana University and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.